Hey guys, Panther RV Products here. Today we're going to be looking at the Dinosaur Electronics UIB S replacement igniter board. This board is going to replace the igniter board on compatible Atwood and Suburban RV furnaces. So included today are instructions, a warranty form. It's a 3-year warranty on these. On the board itself, you'll find the model number, a touch test point. It should be between 10 and 19 volts. There's also a light that turns green when everything is running well, a 5 amp fuse, a spade connection, a 6-pin edge connector. The board itself measures 3¼ inches by 4¼ . Now keep in mind, if you require a post connection, you should actually be looking at the UIB S post board. Or if you need a 6-pin header style connector, take a look at the Fan 50 Plus board to see if that will work for you. That's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and be ready for more videos.